Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to make a stock notifier. We'll build a system that provides real-time stock price alerts, helping you stay informed about market movements. First, we'll cover the essential tools you'll need, such as a programming language like Python and a reliable financial data API. Then, we'll walk through the initial setup of your development environment, ensuring you have everything ready to start coding. This guide will help you create a practical and useful tool. Next, let's focus on acquiring the stock data itself. You'll need to choose a reliable financial data API. There are many options available, often with free tiers for personal use. We'll guide you through registering for an API key, which is your unique identifier for accessing the data. Then, we'll demonstrate how to make API requests to fetch current stock prices, ensuring you get the most accurate and up-to-date information for your notifier. This is a fundamental step. Now, let's implement the alert logic. This is where your notifier becomes truly useful. We'll define the specific conditions that will trigger an alert, perhaps when a stock price crosses a certain threshold, like dropping below $100 or rising above $200. You'll learn how to compare the current stock prices fetched from the API with your predefined target prices. Finally, we'll describe how to send notifications, whether through email, SMS, or another preferred method, keeping you informed. Finally, let's get your stock notifier up and running efficiently. We'll explain how to schedule your script to run automatically at regular intervals, perhaps every 5 minutes or once an hour, ensuring continuous monitoring. You'll also learn how to thoroughly test the alert system with various scenarios to confirm it functions as expected. We'll then suggest ways to enhance your notifier's features, such as adding more stocks or different alert types, making it even more powerful and personalized for your needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.